welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Alliance to Protect Amazon Rainforest. 8 South American countries have agreed to launch an alliance to protect the Amazon rainforest and preventing world's biggest rainforest from reaching a point of no return. The alliance was agreed upon in summit of Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization. The group members Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela signed a joint declaration in Belém at the mouth of the Amazon River. The declaration put down a nearly 10,000-word roadmap to promote sustainable development and deforestation and fight the organized crime that fuels it. However, the summit attendees stopped short of agreeing to the demands of environmentalist and indigenous groups to adopt Brazil's pledge to end illegal deforestation by 2030 and Colombia's pledge to halt new oil exploration. Colombian President Gustavo Petro called for a Marshall Plan-style strategy in which developing countries' debt is cancelled in exchange for action to protect the climate. Now let us talk about ACTO Summit 2023. This is the first summit in 14 years for the 8-nation group set up in 1995 by the South American countries that share the Amazon basin. The summit is hosted by the city of Belém, located in Brazil. The 2-day summit opened on the same day the European Union's Climate Observatory confirmed that July was the hottest month ever recorded on Earth. The summit is also being seen as a dress rehearsal for the 2025 United Nations climate talks, which Belém will host.